Hello everyone, this is Nikila from the Yarn Artisan store. Welcome back to my channel again. So this video is going to be a quick photo tutorial of a wall hanging that I made recently. To be very frank, I made it to cover some scuff marks on the wall. So this photo tutorial, it will be sufficient for an intermediate macramer to copy or recreate. But for those of you who are beginners and would like to know the pattern, I have added the link in the description box and you can go ahead and click that and get the pattern for yourself. So happy watching! Hope this picture tutorial gave you an idea about how to create simple but beautiful macrame projects at home. I hope you were inspired by it and I hope you really try and do something just like this for yourself. Please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really encourage me to keep putting up new videos every week. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.